Hey, y'all buying the merch. Thank you guys, I greatly appreciate that, man. Shout out to all these guys, man, that bought the merch. That's dope, man. Oh, you never heard of Unfazy clothing? We got a variety list of things, as you can see. You guys don't have to buy anything. If you just join the group, I greatly appreciate that. But let's get this video started.
I just wanna be loved.
So pretty much, you guys, the few things that you're gonna need is you're gonna need a Discord bot. You're gonna need Roblox Premium, only if you're gonna upload the shirt. If you guys don't have Premium, you can't upload the shirt. Try to have your friend do it. If they got Premium, tell them to upload it. You have to pay 5 Robux because that's the minimum. But yeah, you can just get your friend to do it. Pay 5 Robux. And another app that you're gonna need is you're gonna need PixArt. And then yeah, you guys, you'll be pretty much all set. Alright guys, we are in our avatar. And we're gonna want to go with shirts. Let me find the shirt I want. Just have to find it. Oh man, I really like this shirt. I wish it would be purple though, because I wanted to match my face. So I'm gonna need this purple. Alright guys, this is pretty much the Discord bot you want to invite to your server. So we're gonna go ahead and invite. And you pretty much just want to invite it to whatever group that's just like open. I would invite it to Unfazy Clothing. Yes. Authorize. And yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay. Alright, so we got the bot in our group. Perfect. So now we want to get the shirt. We're gonna need to remake it. But before we do that, we're gonna have to download the template. Alright guys, the link for this template will be in the 3rd link below. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and get this. This is probably one of the best transparent templates. Now you guys pretty much just want to go to roblox.com. Okay, continue in browser. And yeah, you guys, we're there. So now where you want to go is you want to go to your inventory. Here, and you guys are going to want to go to shirts. Okay, there it is. And pretty much you want to find what you want to be altered, or for the color to change. So probably going to have to scroll, keep tapping on a few pages. Find it. There it is. Alright, now we're on here. Okay, what do we do now, Fire? We just want to tap on the top. You want to just copy only this ID. Copy this. And just want to be there. Perfect. Copy. And we got it. Now you guys want to go back to Discord. So you pretty much want to hit, this sign, RS, and we want to pretty much paste the ID. Don't know why slash is in there. Alright. And this is how it should look. And all you want to do is download this. Alright guys, you want to go to your app store, you want to get PixArt. And yeah, you pretty much want to download this. And when you got that downloaded, you want to go on PicsArt. Pretty much just want to hit that plus sign. And whatever we're going to want to change is we're going to, go ahead and get to that. So you see our transparent shirt template? We're not going to get to that right now. We want to change our shirt. So we said we want to change the color, right? So you guys want to go all the way down to colors. And that's in effects. And you want to hit the color you want to change. See how it changes the color automatically? But I want purple. You can change it to any color you want, you guys. You can do orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And you can do pink. But I'm trying to do purple. So I'm just going to go right to purple. And I think it's gonna look pretty solid. I think I want this type of purple. I'm gonna try to have it perfect. I think that's good. Alright, so we got that out the way. And we pretty much just want to save it. And perfect. And we want to go back. We want to go to our transparent shirt template. You want to always just only go on draw. Only on draw. So that's pretty much going to be the only way for it to work. So you pretty much want to get this. And I know on Android you can kind of trim this on how you want. On iPhone's a little different. You just have to perfectly align it. Yeah, you guys, I did it with both phones. Didn't come out too bad on iPhone, but Android, it does have this perk of trimming the photo. That really helps. So pretty much, you guys, if you have black lines, if you guys see legit these black lines, I'd say we don't want that to be on the shirt unless you just have something on perfectly. But we don't want that on the shirt. So to make sure it's definitely not on the shirt, we're just gonna trim that. And we're pretty much just gonna put it, try to align it perfectly. Don't even leave an opening spot, you guys. Try to have it as good as possible. And I think we're getting there. Kind of zoom in. Kind of missed a little location. It's gonna redo it and trim it again. Alright, and we got that back again, ready. And we're gonna want to put that back on the shirt. Line it perfectly. And I don't think we're really open, really. Alright, I don't see anything. Alright, so that's out the way. Pretty much just want to go back on the shirt. And you pretty much just want to get every single location. Hit up every single location on the template. This is pretty much like your guide. So, alright. And we're going to want to put that on the shirt. Alright, I think we're good. Get a little bit. Alright, I think that's mine. A little too big. Gonna have to trim it a little bit. Alright, that's finally out the way. So then we want to go back to our photos. I'm going to go all the way to the top right here. Gonna want to trim this again. thing. And yeah, I'm gonna put it on there perfectly. Right on the template. Alright, that's good, that's good. Alright, so we're gonna go back to this. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. It's pretty much putting every single thing on your shirt template. That's all you gotta do. And that's what we're working on right now. And yeah. Alright guys, we just put our last piece there. And yeah, we're pretty much done now. It's pretty much, if you see on the bottom, it's a little uneven. So we just want to get the, we want to put it on erase mode. And we want to get the square, we want to put it on fill. Pretty much just want to have it out there. Just place it there, and this can even it out. You know, I'm going to make this a short sleeve. So I'm just gonna have it right about here, pretty even. Alright, there we go. And we're pretty much done. So you pretty much just want to save it. Alright you guys, we pretty much just want to go back on Chrome. And we want to go on Create. I want to go on desktop. And yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and post this on my group. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to shirts. And I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this to load up. Choose file. Files, tap that, and okay, so they just call this palette sorter. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to develop, go choose my file, and I'm gonna put my phone file there, and name I want it is, I'll name it striped purple palace sweater. And you You know, if you guys ever have your own like striped purple palette sweater Firesign, upload. And our shirt is uploaded. Let's take a look. Ooh, drum roll, please. And this is how it came out. You know, I like it. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Shouldn't have erased the black line in the beginning. That's me, but you know, you guys shouldn't see that. I just forgot to trim the black line a little. Should have trimmed it a little better. But yeah, this is pretty much how it came out. I like it. It looks pretty dope. Yeah, I rock with it. And yeah, you guys, it's pretty much how you change to any color. Cause you know, there's a lot of items that I wanted to switch the colors on. I was like, I really like this. I wanted to switch the color on it. And it's pretty cool that you're able to. So yeah, I got blue, purple, red version of this. You have a yellow version of this. And same rules apply for pants. Same rules. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this helped you out. If you're confused about a few things, just hit me up in the comments. And yeah, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next.
I just wanna be loved.